Welcome to this playlist. As you can see in this playlist, you will find a lot of business ideas. These business ideas are just free. The thing is, I don't want to be just like everyone else, just give you a business idea. What I want to do is, I want to give you blueprints. What does it mean? You get to know how business can work, and you get to know the business model, and you get the contracts that you need in order to get clients. And in the future videos, I will show you how you can get clients if you're doing that kind of business. So I'm going to try to upload every week a business blueprint, and you can download it, you can use it, you can use the contract, you can use the business model, you can follow the blueprint and start up your own business. The reason why I'm doing is sometimes you have people, they work and they don't have much time to do research in order how to create certain kind of business, or they have a passion for certain kind of things but they do not know where to start. So you can start with this blueprint. Thing is, this blueprints, this videos is for free. The blueprint, you can go on a Discord, you can get the blueprint for free. Just remember, you have to become a member on a Discord in order to get the blueprint. If you're not a member on Discord, you cannot download the blueprint and start using it. You have to become a member in order to download. Why I'm doing this? You have a lot of people out there that they have a passion for some things, but they do not know how to start. So this blueprint will help you. Thing is, the video in this playlist are for free. You can follow along, follow the tips and tricks, and you can use it in your advantage. If you have question about the video, or if you have question about the content, or if you want to know more about it, you can go on the Discord and ask me the question directly. The thing is, use it. It's for free, so why not use it? If you have question, let me know, and I will see you in the next video.